Oh, that makes you feel alive.
I am Jordan Patrick Smith
And I play Ubbe on Vikings. Ireland's been home to the cast and crew of Vikings for nearly 7 years.
and it has been my home for nearly 4.
The people are funny and welcoming, the history's amazing.
There's nowhere you can go in Ireland that you won't find it absolutely beautiful.
I'm going to take you guys on a little tour, so I hope you enjoy it.
Welcome to the Powers Court Waterfall. Today we're here at Ireland's tallest waterfall on the Powers Court Estate here in the Wicklow Mountains. You Viking fans may remember this spot from when we were first introduced to my character's mother, and she was there, underneath the waterfall. Beyond the waterfall, there's 47 acres of the most beautiful landscape you'll see here in Ireland. It's got my favourite hotel, the Powers Court Hotel. This is definitely one spot that you have to check out when you come to Ireland.
A lot of you are going to think I'm making this up, but believe me when I tell you that Ireland has some of the best surfing spots in the world. There are hundreds of spots all around the country. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you've been surfing all your life. There's something here for everybody. Now, the water may be a little bit cold, but there's no sharks, no crowds. Let's go for a surf. Today we're in Britta's Bay, which is just 40 minutes from Dublin city centre. Oh, that makes you feel alive.
You pretty much can't go anywhere in Ireland without coming across something historic worth checking out. One of my favourite things is it's medieval, and of course it's Viking history. So today we'll come to one of Dublin's oldest buildings, the Christchurch Cathedral. Let's go have a look. I have just found out that the original cathedral was built by the Vikings in the year 1030. Then the Normans came, knocked it down, and built the one we see here today. These are the original stocks that used to be at the front of the cathedral. And what would happen was people who had done something a little bit naughty would get locked out the front, and all the local people would throw rotten fruit and veg at them. I'm ready to get out now. This can be heard for 2 miles in every direction, so here we go. Oh, I feel like a kid in a candy shop. So we're here in the very lively Temple Bar. There's no better way to finish your day than with a tipple of your choice. Cheers. Come to Ireland. It's beautiful.